Everything about the all-new Blue Pure 411 is made for your convenience. It's small and compact, yet powerful, and comes in a variety of colors to suit your unique style. Like all the other Blue Pure family members, the 411 has an excellent clean air delivery rate. It cleans the air in a 161 square feet room completely, 5 times per hour. It's super easy to get started. Thanks to its unique 360-degree air intake, the powerful fan draws air into the filter from all 4 sides, which makes it fully efficient wherever you place it, which is literally anywhere, considering its super compact dimensions. Just plug it into any power outlet and switch it on by gently touching the button. You can't miss it. There's only one. At the first touch, the unit starts cleaning your air with the recommended operating speed. Touch it again to increase the fan speed 1 step. If you want to turn it off, just touch the button once more. In total, there are 3 speed levels, indicated by LED lights. The lights dim after a few seconds, making Blue Pure 411 unobtrusive enough to be running in your bedroom all night. Besides, it's even whisper silent. It makes lower noise than human breathing, or snoring for that matter. Now, you are in full control over the air you breathe and can be sure that it's always perfectly clean. You can literally run the air purifier 24/7. It's extremely energy efficient, using only half of the energy of a small LED light. The entire bottom part of the Blue Pure 411 consists of an advanced filter system. The first layer is an elastic fabric, which comes in different energizing colors. Just slip on the color you feel for and redecorate your room in seconds. Putting color into your life is one thing, but the fabric actually doubles as a pre-filter. It catches larger particles, saving the main filter. When the fabric requires cleaning, just gently vacuum it or put it in your washing machine. Now, let's take 1 step deeper inside. Using both mechanical and electrostatic filtration, the main filter catches virtually every airborne contaminant down to a virus in size. Pollen, dust, pet dander, mold spores, smoke, allergens, and bacteria. And, combined with active carbon, it even removes odors, gases, and VOCs. One day, approximately after half a year of hard purifying work, it's time to replace the filter. Conveniently, your Blue Pure 411 lets you know by lighting up the button in red. Order your new filter online or at partner retailers. You can choose between 2 different types: particle filter or smoke stop filter with activated carbon. Replacing the filter is a piece of cake. Just follow a couple of simple steps. Unplug your Blue Pure 411. Rotate the top part counterclockwise and lift it off to open the unit. Remove the fabric pre-filter and the filter ring. Lift up the old main filter in its handles and put the new one in place. Slip on the pre-filter and screw the top part back on. With your new filter installed, you can discard the old one. Relax. Blue is actually very green. Of course, we made sure that all of the material is fully recyclable. All that's left is to reset the filter change indicator by pressing and holding down the button for 5 seconds. Congratulations! Now, your air purifier is as good as new and ready to continue providing you and everyone around you with perfectly clean air.